Welcome back, car enthusiasts. In today's video, we are going to showcase some amazing Amazon car products that will enhance your driving experience. From practical gadgets to fun accessories, we have got you covered. So, let's dive right in. If you're looking to upgrade your ride, stay tuned as we unveil some fantastic products that are sure to impress. First on our list is the AstroAI Jump Starter with Air Compressor. With its powerful 1750A battery and built-in digital tire inflator, this jump starter can revive your dead battery and inflate your tires with ease. It's a must-have for any road trip. Next up, we have the 2-in-1 multifunctional car cup holder expander adapter. This innovative accessory provides extra space for your drinks, gadgets, and even snacks. Its adjustable base fits most cup holders, making it incredibly versatile. Looking for a reliable dash cam? The 70My Smart Dashcam 1S is here to capture every moment on the road. With its high-definition recording, built-in G-sensor, and powerful night vision, you'll have peace of mind knowing that you have a reliable witness on board. Want to freshen up the air in your car? Kwak's Car Air Freshener Solar Energy Air Purifier is the perfect solution. With its stylish design and automatic rotation, it not only eliminates odors but also adds a touch of elegance to your interior. For those seeking a comprehensive recording solution, the AstroAI 11.8 mirror dash cam is a game-changer. With its front and rear view cameras, enhanced night vision, and GPS capabilities, you can drive with confidence, knowing that you have full coverage. Looking to add a dash of personality to your car? The cool swinging duck car hanging ornament is a delightful accessory. Tired of unpleasant odors in your car? The Febreze Unstoppables Car Freshener Vent Clip is the perfect solution. Its long-lasting fragrance keeps your car smelling fresh and clean, making your daily commute a more enjoyable experience. Let's bring some starry magic into your car with the Firework Bluetooth Twinkle Starlight Headliner Kit. With its customizable RGBW LED lights and music sync mode, you can create a mesmerizing ambience that will make your car stand out from the crowd. Need some extra storage space? The Flymic adjustable car seat headrest hook is a practical solution. It provides a sturdy hanger for your bags, coats, and accessories, keeping them organized and within reach during your journeys. For those who love their iPhones, the Vixseed MagSafe car mount is a must-have. With its 20 strongest magnets and all-metal design, it securely holds your phone while you drive, ensuring easy access to navigation and hands-free calling. Get ready to express yourself on the road with Jorova Funny Car Accessories. Its LED car safety sign allows you to customize text and animations, making it a fun way to communicate with other drivers and share your unique personality. Transform your car's interior with the Govee Interior Car Lights. With its smart app control, music sync mode, and multiple scene options, you can create stunning lighting effects that match your mood and elevate your driving experience. Keeping your car clean is a breeze with the Roobot Car Vacuum Cleaner. Its cordless and rechargeable design, along with its powerful suction, ensures that every nook and cranny of your car stays spotless. Traveling with kids? The Haltico Backseat Car Organizer is a lifesaver. With its touchscreen tablet holder and multiple storage pockets, you can keep your little ones entertained and your car clutter-free. Last but not least, we have the Wandtolf Car Trash Can Bin. This leak-proof mini trash bin, along with its 60 disposable trash bags, keeps your car tidy and organized, ensuring a clean and pleasant environment for your daily commute. And there you have it, folks, our top 15 must-have car products available on Amazon. Whether you're a gadget enthusiast, a fashion-forward driver, or a parent on the go, these products will surely enhance your driving experience. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below for more information and to grab these amazing products for yourself. Until next time, drive safe and happy shopping.